The pickup truck world just got a major upgrade, and it's called the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten. This isn't just a trim level, it's a declaration. A declaration that luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology can absolutely coexist in one beast of a truck. Whether you're hauling, commuting, or just cruising in style, the Ram Tungsten is ready to redefine what a premium pickup can be. At first glance, the Tungsten looks unmistakably Ram, bold, wide, confident, but it's the details that separate this model from the rest. The grille is completely unique, with a refined crosshatch pattern and a brushed titanium finish that you won't find on any other Ram. Pair that with sleek LED lighting, a smoother front fascia, and optional 22-inch wheels, and you've got a truck that doesn't just show up, it makes an entrance. It's muscular without being aggressive, premium without being flashy. It hits that rare sweet spot between rugged and refined. But step inside, and that's where things go next level. The Tungsten interior feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. You're greeted with quilted Natura Plus leather seats with detailed accent stitching and tungsten badging embedded in the seatbacks. The attention to detail is insane. Real metal trim pieces, suede headliner, 24-way power-adjustable front seats with memory and massage, and an ultra-premium 23-speaker Klipsch reference premier audio system that turns the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Ram didn't just add high-end materials, they built a luxury environment designed for long hauls, tough workdays, or just a smooth drive to dinner. You've got a massive 14.5-inch center touchscreen with Uconnect 5, plus a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.25-inch passenger display. That's 3 screens up front, each optimized for clarity and ease of use. Whether you're navigating, managing your trailer, or streaming media, the interface is intuitive, sharp, and customizable. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even offers an optional head-up display to keep your eyes on the road. Now, let's talk power, because for all its luxury, this is still a Ram. And Ram means business. For 2025, the Tungsten comes standard with the all-new 3.0L twin-turbocharged inline-six, known as the Hurricane engine. This powerplant produces an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque in its high-output configuration. That's more power than the outgoing HEMI V8, with better efficiency and fewer emissions. It's mated to a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, and the result is a pickup that can launch, pull, and climb with confidence and strength. Towing capacity? Expect over 11,500 pounds when properly equipped. Payload? Over 2,300 pounds. And even with all that muscle, the ride stays composed thanks to the available four-corner air suspension, which not only smooths out the bumps but also automatically lowers the truck at highway speeds for better aerodynamics and fuel economy. Speaking of driving, the Ram Tungsten delivers a shockingly refined on-road experience. The suspension soaks up imperfections with ease, and the cabin remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds. There's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, trailer blind spot monitoring, and available hands-free driving tech with Ram's new Highway Assist. This truck isn't just smart, it's predictive, safe, and ready for whatever your journey demands. The bed, of course, is just as functional as you'd expect. You've got the signature RAM box storage on either side, a 115V outlet in the bed wall, and a multifunction tailgate that opens traditionally or barn door style for easier loading. There's even an optional power outlet system to run tools or tailgate gear. Ram knows its audience, and the Tungsten makes sure you don't have to choose between utility and comfort. Another standout feature is Ram's commitment to personalization. From selectable ambient lighting inside the cabin to drive mode customization and digital gauge themes, the Tungsten allows you to make the truck feel like your own. Whether you're on the job site or heading out for a weekend adventure, the RAM 1500 Tungsten adapts to your lifestyle. One of the best parts about the 2025 RAM 1500 Tungsten? It isn't just about looking good, it's about being functional, capable, and ahead of its time. With future-ready tech like over-the-air updates, upgraded security features, and even biometric authentication options on the way, RAM is clearly planning for the long haul. This isn't just a truck for 2025, it's a truck built to lead into the next decade. And while pricing hasn't been officially confirmed for every package, expect the Tungsten to sit at the top of the lineup, starting in the low to mid $70,000s. That puts it firmly in premium territory, but when you consider what you're getting, luxury-grade materials, segment-leading tech, and muscle under the hood, it's arguably one of the best value propositions in the high-end truck world right now. So who is the 2025 RAM Tungsten for? It's for the driver who works hard but also values comfort. It's for the person who hauls during the week and heads to the mountains on the weekend. It's for someone who wants a truck that commands attention but delivers performance. It's not about compromise. It's about commanding the road with power and purpose. If you're looking for the most advanced, most luxurious, and most powerful RAM ever made, the Tungsten is it. This is what happens when capability meets craftsmanship. This is the future of trucks, and it wears a RAM badge. Thanks for watching.